Addiction doesn't end when treatment begins. Recovery requires stability, accountability, and a safe place to live while the work is actually happening.
We're the founders of Gracious WellSprings, a recovery housing platform built off of dignity and long-term success.
We combine structured sober living with operational discipline, strong community partnerships, and a scalable business model.
Our vision is to expand responsibly into high-need markets, scaling homes, systems, and impact while maintaining quality and profitability.
Every new house has the potential to help stabilize more lives, support family restoration, and strengthen communities.
This isn't just a business. This is an infrastructure for recovery and an opportunity to do well by doing real good in the community.